Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back for doing another video. Uh-huh. So, so I'm back for another video. So I'm doing Minecraft survival series. Minecraft survival series. Uh, da da. Done.
सिंपल इंग्लिश हाँ क्यों क्यों क्योंकि वहाँ इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश याद किया लर्न किया
Done. I think this much space would be like enough for my house. It's not gonna be like a super big house, but it's gonna be a really nice house. Done. Oh shit, I need more dirt. So see you guys after having some more resources. So guys, I'm back. So I got 64 dirt. I think it would be more than enough. I think this is like, I don't need even like this much, man. This much is like two. Yeah, now it look good.
मेरा शादी मार्च में उसके बाद उनका बच्चा
done. Hmm. Look good actually.
दोनों लड़का लड़कियां में एक ही 2 साल का गैप है 2003 में उनका भी जुलाई को हुआ
I think the bases look good.
राज का क्या करेगा राज
Yeah.
10 दिन पढ़ के 10 दिन के लोगों में रह के उसका 10 दिन
Yeah. So it's done.
पागल हो जाता
So guys, I'm really sorry about the voice from the former video is coming. It's my mom. Sorry guys. Sorry. So I'm done building the base. So let's start with this. Wood. Done. Yeah, and I also need a sword. A sword. And a Fosca X. Sorry about the notification, guys. How many times this video I'm gonna say sorry. So I made a bet last time. There was 3 sheep. I killed 2 of them. One of them is still alive. See, there is one. See. Well, looking good. So I actually need a lot of wood for this. Let's break this part. No. Yeah, done. Boom. Oh, I ran out of wood. I have 12. How much it's gonna give me? 48. It's not a lot, less. I actually need 100. Done. This house looking like really cool. Like you can see like everything. Yeah, dope. Oh, I only have 16 left. Come on, be enough. At least build this thing. Yes, I'm finally done. So last video I did absolutely nothing. So guys, I have ever learned a new thing like hashtag. So hashtag is like really helping. And please, if you watch the video, please subscribe, guys. Please. Like I have made like so many videos and I'm still in 6 subscribers, 6 or 7. At least give me to 10 subscribers, guys. Please, please. I actually need a lot of wood, so let me collect some material, guys. Oh man. Yeah, come here, you dirty shit. Is there a spider? I think there is a spider somewhere. Spidey. Oh yeah. Hey buddy, you have to die. Is there one more? Oh, I don't guess. Oh, one wood block. Yeah. So I got enough stack of wood, guys. So now I'm gonna start building it. Yeah. Cow, I'm coming for you. I love cows. More. I already got a stack. So I got actually a lot of wood. So first I need a chest. A flipping chest. Yeah, 4 chests. And one over here. I only need actually some wood. I actually got a lot of beef. So I'm gonna eat the beef. Apple, rotten flesh, don't need it. But still gonna keep it. Leather also I don't need. Mushroom, sticks I can need. Well, and also need to make some torches. 16 torches, enough. Cow, how dare you? It's a private property. Yeah, lot of beef. 22 beef, man. That's like more than enough. Done. So let's break this part. Because I also wanted to see lot of things. I wanted to my house have lot of windows. I guess this side will be my bed. Yeah. So this side will be all open. I think that would be like this. Done. Well, I'm dying. I need to eat food. I actually need a lot of food. So see you after I have done with the house. So hey guys, I'm back. So this is like my design kind of designs. I went for like open design so I can see everything. This is by my material stuff, like all the wood, all that, all eatable stuff. And this is a random chest. All random stuff is there, and this is important stuff chest. So I don't have a lot of important stuff, but glass I need. So I'm gonna be with this glass. Actually, I think I need more glass. Uh, yeah, so make them also. Or I don't need. I don't know. I don't want to waste anything because I got a very limited supply of everything. Because I'm running out of coal, running out of everything, and I don't have an iron pickaxe also. And I don't have cobblestone. I need to go and mine cobblestone. So next episode, I will try to find more like stuff like pickaxe, some iron pickaxe, a lot of material. And last episode, I will also make the roof. Yeah, I need some more. Yeah, some more. 32 more. This is like more than enough. Yeah. Done. Done. Yeah, done. Whoa. Like I can like see like everything. This like I finally like make a house. Next time I will make a roof. So actually didn't waste a lot of materials. So keep my important stuff. Glass is really important. I'm again telling I got a limited supply. So guys, I think I am done with today's video. Yeah. So please comment, like and subscribe. Oh, and I actually got a pet. Whoa. Comment, like and subscribe guys. Bye bye.